Hello everybody, this is Haley. Say hi.
Hi.
And we're unboxing ta-da-da-da, an LOL surprise pets. So this is the what does he call it, baby?
Checklist.
This is the checklist, and she already opened. The first one was this one, and her guess was it's
Music
gonna be
to my ears.
music to my ears. I don't know if you guys can see that clearly, but it's musical notes and bunny ears. And then the second one, she let me open the second round, and that's what it's gonna be: a crier, spitter,
Or tinkler.
color changer,
Or tinkler.
or tinkler, I guess. So she's opening up the first one of it, and it's
It's a scooper.
she needs a little. Let me help you out, baby.
I can do it. What's a dog?
Oh, it's a scooper. Okay, so then she's gonna open up the next one. Here, let me help
You
you.
can do it, Auntie.
That was easy. That was easier than yours, huh? Ooh, let's see the food bowl. So we got so far the food bowl, and it looks like there's chicken and waffles.
What the? That's a weird
the?
combination.
We got the little Poopy Scooby, and then this cute little Poopy box. Says LOL on it. And then the second one is a
Black Slurpee and pink bottle.
Yep, a Slurpee bottle that's black and pink. And last but not least, here, I'll open it for you. You can reveal it.
Can I open it?
Yeah, let me close my eyes so I won't see. And let's see what we got here. That is such a cutie. Let's show it to the camera. Whoa. What do you think it is? Okay, guys. Well, that was our LOL pets. I hope you enjoyed this little video. If you guys,
I don't know what it is.
if you guys like more surprises like this, message us, like, and don't forget to
Subscribe.
subscribe to her channel. Bye.